Well, there we go. I've now completed the rebuild. It's I've put in a Meteor. It's a Husky 288. I've put in a Meteor piston and cylinder with a cable ring. It's got new bearings, new seals. Split the crankcase. The bar is only there temporarily until the customer puts his own bar on. It's got another chain brake on it. The original one, my supplier couldn't supply the, it was broken, and my supplier couldn't, said there was a really old one, he couldn't find a brake band for it. There goes the bearings, very grotty looking. There's the seals, very worn. So here's the anti-vibe mounts. That's about the only one that was any good, and that's all sorts of distorted. So they're all broken. They're all the mounts. And they're all sorts of broken. Here's the old gasket. This is the throttle trigger. As you can see, it's very worn through here. So I replaced that as well. I figured he wouldn't get full throttle with it like that. Here goes the old cylinder. Where's that torch? It was scored, so intake looks good. Yeah, I tried cleaning it up with acid, but it seemed the acid didn't want to play. The piston is there's the piston there. So there's the piston box, Meteor. Here's the cylinder kit. So replaced the air conductor. That was all kinds of worn, all through here, broken through here and through there. Replaced all that. I've got to do a clean up on my bench. I reused as a gasket set, I reused the intake gaskets. They were okay. I done a base gasket delete. So I think that was a good thing to do. It's got plenty of compression. And he will I'll get them to bring it back. It still needs a final tune. I'll get them to bring it back, and I'll check it over again. So, but there it is. It's all go, and all ready to go and cut wood. So yeah, all in all, quite a good build. I spent way too much time on it. So, but it needs to be right. It's going into a commercial service, so yeah. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.